What is Quizlet and how can you use it? Anyone can use Quizlet to study and learn content created by other users or to create your own custom study sets. You can also share sets with friends, classmates, or your own students. Getting started on Quizlet. The best way to get started on Quizlet as a student or a teacher is to search for sets made by other Quizlet users. Students and teachers create new study sets all the time, so it's quite likely that you'll be able to find what you're looking for. To find study sets, select the magnifying glass icon at the top of any page on Quizlet. Then type in your subject or the name of the exam you're studying for, and press enter to see a list of results. You'll see a preview of the first 4 items in each set on the search results page. To see the full set, select the title to view all terms and definitions on the set page. You can also open the options menu to search results by relevancy or creation date. Creating your own content. If you're looking to study something very specific or would like to share content you create with a group of classmates or students, you may want to create your own sets rather than study those made by others. In order to create sets, you'll first need to sign up for an account. You can create sets with text, add images. Users with free Quizlet accounts can add images from your gallery. Upgraded users can choose from your gallery from your phone or from your laptop, and then from there you can create a diagram set. Quizlet for teachers. There are lots of great resources for teachers looking to use Quizlet with their students in the For Teachers section of the Help Center. A good place to start is the Teacher's Quick Start Guide. It is written specifically for teachers who are new to Quizlet and looking to get things set up for their students quickly and efficiently. Teachers can take a deeper dive into Quizlet's core functionality and get an overview of many of the tools by watching recordings or training webinars which are delivered in the past from Quizlet. Unlocking extra features. While you can do a lot with a free Quizlet account, Quizlet offers 2 subscription packages, which is Quizlet Plus for students and Quizlet Teacher for teachers. It enables you to create more engaging content, a study aid free on the Quizlet website and mobile apps, and it allows you to customize your study or teaching experience. Using Quizlet on the go. You can study with Quizlet anywhere using the free iOS and Android apps. You can download them and then take them with you on the go to study if you're in a rush or just on the go during the day.